where the warning sign.
Oh, that's good.
What do you have in there?
Yeah, balok later.
Sandwiches.
No, I don't bring shit. Just snacky.
Yes, tent. How about an umbrella?
Okay, go. Cross the road.
Because, you know, where are those?
Isa, what are you doing?
Something. Much better. I really want to take off our shoes. I want to put them right here.
Put that down, but you don't need to put on that up there.
Cross my legs. We're all set.
1:30.
ferry.
Huh?
No. Go different way.
Different way today.
Um,
Hmm?
2:30. We'll be there by 2:30.
Yeah.
Mom, I'm going to go to the dog section. Lucky sand. Black sand.
That's it. The end.
We look like we're on vacation. We look like we're on vacation.
Yeah.
There we
We're
are.
on vacation. Yeah, that's that one there. Behind us later. That one.
That's dog
Behind earlier.
Mama.
Ilang beses na kami pabalik-balik dito. It look different na rin, oh. Parang nag-iba. Tingnan nyo, ilang beses na kami pabalik-balik dito. Pero this time lang na ganito mga katsika, walang tubig. Yeah, here. There's still water. They still can play.
Careful, there's people around here. Swim.
So this time, wala silang mapaglalaruan dyan na tubig kasi wala nang ano na siya mga katsika. Nag-El Nino na dito. El Nino. Kaya di ko alam kung kailan yung last na nag-ulan. Umulan man kaunti. Mga 1 week ago or 2 weeks ago. Pero saglit lang ba, hindi yung malakas na ulan.
Pull that down there, Mama. I'm not right with it. I think it's the foot now. Oh, no, maybe not. That's why.
It's okay. Just need stretching.
So push that one out. That's it.
Just need, wait, I'm gonna put something in. Oh, that's hot the sun. I put something.
Oh, yeah. I did. Yeah, I think it's kaput this now. Bent. That one. Push that though? Yeah, that's it. This one. That's it.
Need
Yeah.
a rock.
A rock?
Get a rock.
A rock.
No, that's
I'm wearing my Crocs, Daddy. Daddy, I'm wearing my Crocs. These are too hot. Here. And stop. Stop. Mama, help. Mama, luckily I have Crocs. Yeah. I have Crocs too. Crocs. Help. Can't jump. Oh, Jesus. Help me.
especially you came from there. That's it. Give me one then.
That's it. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna get it.
Very clean. Din yun yung kinaganda dito kay. Malinis mga kachika ba? Kasi mga gilid-gilid. Wala kang nakikita mga tambak-tambak na basura. Kasi may naglilibot din dito na nakano sila. Naka cart. Oh, hindi cart, yung parang motor van na may anuhan ng mga basura. I remember you have a photo here before, Daddy. You was holding Alisa when she was months old, I think.
Alisa, was it?
Oh.
I saw that picture.
Ito na yung bahay-bahayan namin ngayon. Welcome to our new home. Hindi lang. Naalala ko lang mga katsika noong kabataan ba na naglalaro kami ng mga bahay-bahayan. Ganon.
Mama.
Mm.
Mama.
Mm.
Yeah.
Wa! Tapos magluto-luto kami. Ganun ba na mga mga simple lang, no? Maggulay-gulay. Magluto kami ng gabi, kamote. Kung ano yung available na available namin na pwedeng lutuin ba mga bata. Kaso pag maggawa kami ng apoy, kami ng apoy noon, kastigo, kahuman. Katapos kasi ayaw ni nanay yun na maglaro-laro kami ng apoy. Tapikin nyo na. Go get your lay your sand. Lay the sand.
No, it's not sand, it's rock sand.
Rock sand. Go there, play with the water. Nice there. Pwede ka maakit-akit sa kahoy. Ganyan.
Ooh. Not advisable. Not with no shoes on your feet. You slip.
Ang lakad tayo kay puntahan natin doon sila. Pinaano talaga nila. Kasi dito talaga yun sila naglalaro dapat sa... dyan pala. Kasi maraming tubig yan siya dyan before nagpunta kami dito. Last time nagpunta kami dito. So, yay! Agoy! Dali kayo na. Aray ko. Maraming mga lumot-lumot. Ano ba yung lumot sa Tagalog mga kachika? Tingnan nyo. Sobrang dry na. Ay, nakatamak pa ako ng ano. Tayo ng baka. Hala, saan ako dito dadaan ngayon? Yeah, kahit dito mga kachika, malalim to dito before. Tingnan nyo, may mga ducks pa natakot sa akin. The ducks is scared of me. Ay, pagpupunta ka naman dyan ngayon, maano din parang may daanan pala yan dyan. Natakot sa akin. Saan kaya ako ngayon dadaan? Meron pala dito. Dati hindi kami pumupunta dito na side kasi nga maraming tubig. Ngayon kasi, tingnan nyo. Wala na. There's more ducks down here. Babies. Here. Natakot yung mga ducks sa akin. Nagtakbuhan. Nandoon na sila banda. Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'll take that one. That's a long story.
Why?
Frisbee.
What
What's
long story?
I mean, not a long story. It's not a long story. But I'll
What's
try.
the story about?
I want to try. Oh, sorry. I'll show you. I'll show you Lisa. I'll show you. I want to take. Can you? I'm gonna go first.
It's bakwit na naman mga kachika. Let's go. Mga ano din kami dito. Magti 3 hours din kami nandito. Pauwian na din yung mga tao. Medyo lumalamig din kasi hindi pa naman siya super light talaga. Pero maano yan, ma-cloudy na siya. You take the bag, 1 each.
That's killing me.
You wear it, Daddy?
I'm going to. Yeah.
Hindi makakalakad pag ganito. Kasi manipis masyado yung ano niya mga kachika. Yung lapalapa ba? Yung paanga niya sa ilalim. Manipis yan masyado. Kaya hindi yan gayon sa mga bata natin ngayon maglakad-lakad. Kahit ako, nakakalakad ako ng pag yan siya. Hirap yan siya maglakad.
Go, Mama.
Alisa na. Straight na mukha ni Alisa. Dartmouth.
Look at that big boat. Wow, we have lots of boats.
Look at that. Crossing the
No,
road.
yeah, sige.
Oh my
Look at that. You see that before?
Oh,
Crossing the road.
checking his time as well.
Using the crossing.
Oh.
I saw it up here on the boat. I saw it.
Should come here again, like down here, Daddy. No?
Yes, you should. Yeah.
It's nice here.
It is. That was good.
Very busy.
Oh, that's the boat.
We tried to get it here once.
Look at that, we're going in. Oh, you go in the front as well.
No?
You go in the front. In the front, where the warning sign.
Oh, that's good.
And so we are cut.
Ganyan. Did you take off your seatbelt? Boys and girls. Momento na naman kasi kami dito mga kachika kasi dinaan talaga sila ng daddy nila. Mga 10 minutes din yan sila.
Open the door, please. Hello.
Hindi pa kami nakarating ng bahay. Hmm?
Go to Shasta.
Ay, gaga?
Did it fast?
See, it's lovely there.
Hmm.
When was it the last time you were here then? When you were working at that?
No. Summertime.
The last time they were here, when you were working, I used to bring him on Saturdays. Where were you working then?
Banana.
Brixton.
No. Was it? For her?
Take it.
Okay.
Were you?
Some.
No, I don't think so.
Ang sarap nito.
No?
But every time you came here, Dartmouth, you always pass there.
Say what?
We always pass by here.
Yeah.
Every time we came to Dartmouth.
Yeah.